Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into the VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum, a product designed to tackle hair thinning and shedding with a promise of thicker, fuller-looking hair. This vegan, cruelty-free serum is formulated to reduce shedding, increase hair density, and leave your hair feeling healthier. Let's see if it lives up to those claims. VEGAMOUR's GRO Hair Serum is crafted for all hair types, particularly for those with fine or thinning hair. The serum comes in a 30 milliliter bottle, offering a liquid solution that's free from silicones and hormones. It's also clinically tested, color safe, and has a refreshing bergamot scent, adding an element of sensory pleasure to your hair care routine. So, what exactly does this product do, and how well does it perform in real life? Let's find out. When I first tried the VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum, the first thing that stood out was the lightweight texture. It's non-oily, which is a huge plus for anyone who has fine or oily hair, as it absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind. I applied a few drops directly to my scalp, focusing on areas where thinning was more noticeable. It's a simple, no-fuss step in my daily routine, and the bergamot scent gives it a nice, subtle freshness. It didn't feel heavy on my scalp, and I didn't experience any irritation, which can sometimes happen with hair growth serums. Now, onto the real test: performance. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed that my shedding had significantly reduced, especially during washing and brushing. My hair felt fuller, and the density did improve slightly. However, it's important to note that, like most hair growth products, results take time. While I didn't see a dramatic change overnight, by around 3 to 4 weeks in, my hair definitely felt healthier overall, and the shedding wasn't as noticeable. In terms of pros, I'd say the VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum's biggest strength is its non-oily formula. It absorbs quickly, making it easy to incorporate into a morning or evening routine. The refreshing bergamot scent is also a nice touch. It's subtle and not overwhelming. The fact that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from silicones and hormones is a big win for those looking for a more natural hair care solution. Plus, it's color safe, which is crucial for those of us who color our hair. On the flip side, the main downside for me was the price. At $68 for just 30 milliliters, it's on the higher end of the scale compared to other serums that claim similar benefits. While it does deliver on its promises of reducing shedding and enhancing hair health, the value might not be justified for everyone, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. The effects aren't instant, so it's a longer-term investment in your hair's health. As for comparisons, there are other products on the market that offer similar benefits at a lower price point, such as the Nutrafol Women's Hair Growth Supplements. While they're not the same type of product, both work to address thinning and shedding, and Nutrafol tends to be a more affordable option. If you're on a tighter budget, it might be worth considering alternatives, but if you're committed to a high-quality, clinical solution, VEGAMOUR Serum does stand out in terms of formulation and overall effectiveness. Looking at build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The dropper dispenses the right amount of product with ease, and the glass bottle feels sturdy. As for longevity, a little goes a long way. I've been using it for over a month now, and there's still plenty left. So even though it's a small bottle, it will last for a while. If you have questions or need any assistance, VEGAMOUR's customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, which is a nice touch in today's market where customer support can vary greatly. In terms of alternatives, if the price point of the VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum is a bit high for you, you could explore products like the Revitalash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner or the Pura D'Or Hair Thinning Therapy Energizing Scalp Serum. These products are more affordable and offer similar promises when it comes to boosting hair health and reducing thinning. To wrap things up, the VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum is a solid choice for those dealing with thinning or shedding hair, particularly if you value a non-oily, vegan formula that's free from hormones and silicones. While it's not the cheapest option, the results are impressive, and with consistent use, it's likely to make a difference. If you're looking for a high-quality serum that takes a more natural approach, this could definitely be worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase the product in the description box below. If you've used VEGAMOUR GRO Hair Serum or have tried similar products, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.